In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and add columns in monday.com. To get started, log into your monday.com account as you normally would. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a list of your workspaces and boards there. Find the specific board where you want to add new columns and click on it to open. This is important because columns are added to an individual board, not to your entire account. Give the page a moment to load completely so your board and all its existing columns appear. Now, look toward the far right side of your columns. At the end of the row, you'll see a small plus icon. This is your shortcut to adding new columns. Go ahead and click that plus icon. When you do, monday.com will show you a set of column options that you can quickly choose from. If you don't immediately see the type of column you're looking for, that's where the More Columns option comes in. Click on More Columns, and a larger pop-up window will appear. This pop-up displays many additional column types that monday.com offers, such as status, text, numbers, dates, and more specialized options. Take a moment to browse through these choices and think about what kind of information you want to track on your board. Once you find the column type that matches your needs, look to the right side of that option and click Add to Board. As soon as you do that, monday.com will insert the new column into your board, usually near the end of your existing columns. You should now see your newly added column appear with its default name and format. Next, let's configure how this column works. The easiest way to adjust a new column is to click directly on a cell under that column header. For example, if you added a priority column, click on any empty cell in that column. A small menu will pop up showing you the available options, such as critical, high, medium, low, or default value. Just click on the option you want, and that setting will be applied to that specific item. Keep in mind that each column type has its own settings and behaviors, so what you see will depend on the type of column you chose. If you decide you need more columns or a different type altogether, simply repeat the same process. Click the plus icon, open More Columns if needed, choose your column type, and add it to your board. This way you can gradually build a board layout that matches your workflow and keeps all your information organized in one place.